Hi, you're welcome to GMats Class. Now let's look at this problem together. Now a cylindrical shoe polish tin is 10 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 centimeter deep. Take pi to be 22/7. A. Calculate the capacity of the tin in centimeter cube. And B. When full, the tin contains 300 grams of polish. Calculate the density of the polish in gram per centimeter cube. Correct to 2 dp. Alright, now before we solve this problem, if you are looking at me and you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the subscription button and share this video with your friends. Alright, now let's look at the problem. Now, a cylindrical shoe polish tin is 10 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 centimeter deep. Now, the tin will look like this. Now we have been given the diameter. The diameter is 10 centimeter and the deep, which is also the depth, is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter is the same thing as 7/2 centimeter. Okay, so now we need to get the radius of this thing. So now the radius will be diameter over 2. Radius is diameter over 2. So the diameter is given as 10. So that means radius will now be what? 5 centimeter. Alright, so now we can now calculate the capacity of this cylindrical thing. Now when we say capacity, we are referring to the volume of the thing. So what is volume of the cylinder? The volume now will be pi r squared h. This is the formula for finding volume of a cylinder. Alright, so now we now have 22/7. Our pi is 22/7 times radius. Radius is 5. That's going to be 5 squared times our height is 3.5, which is the same thing as 7/2. 7/2. Okay, so here 7 cancels 7 here, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 11. So we left it 11 and 5 raised to the power of 2. That is 11 times 25. So and that is going to give us 275 centimeter cube. 275 centimeter cube. So that is going to be the volume of this cylinder. So we now conclude that therefore the capacity of the thing is equals to 275 centimeter cube, right? So that's the answer to the first part of the question. Now let's look at the second part. Now, when full, that is when the tin is full, now the tin contains 300 grams of polish. That is full of 300 grams of polish. So you have to calculate the density of the polish in gram per centimeter cube. Now, what you need to know now is the polish is going to take the volume of the tin. So the volume of the tin is the same thing as the volume of the polish. Alright, so now you have been given the mass of the polish. So to get the density, now formula for density now, density is mass over volume. Mass over volume. Now to get the density of this polish now, so we have the mass to be 300 grams over volume. So it's going to take the volume of this. So over volume. Now this volume is something as 11 times 25, okay? Because 275 is the same thing as this. Alright, so now you now say 25 goes here, 1. 25 goes in 30, that is going to be 1. It's going to be 1. It will remain 5. 25 goes in, you put that 5 beside the 0 here, that will be 50 now. So 25 goes in 50, that's going to be 2. So we have 12 over 11. Okay, now we now divide. 11 goes in 12, that is 1. It is 1. It remains 1. It remains 1. So this is the 1. So you put 0 at the back of the 1. This is 10. 11 goes in 10. That's 0. Because 11 cannot go in 10. That was 0. The next thing is to add 0 to this. So we have this. Now 11 goes in 100. That's going to be 9. So that will be 9. It remains 1. So it remains 1. So you put 0 at the back of the 1. So 11 goes in 10. That is 0. Alright, so you put 0 at the back. 11 goes in 100. You have 9. Remainder 1. So you'll be having 0, 9, 0, 9, and so on. So our answer now, you have to correct to 2 dp. So it's going to be 1.09 gram per centimeter cube. So this is going to be the density of the polish. It's going to be, so if you can't divide like this, you can make use of your calculator. So we have this as your answer. So you correct it to 2 dp. So correcting to 2 dp, just count 2 digits after the decimal point, 2 decimal places. So you count 1, 2. Right, so you write everything like this. So this is going to be the answer. So thank you for watching.